Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the chapter Jungle Safari, okay, that is given on in your books at page number 32. Okay, so you all must have your books with you, but if you are not having your books, I am sharing the page here so you can see from there and you can learn with me. Okay, so now let's start with our chapter Jungle Safari. So, starting from the first line, my excitement was at its peak. We were going to visit Kanha National Park, which provided setting for Rudyard Kipling's classic novel, The Jungle Book. Okay, so my excitement was at its peak. So, I was very excited. I was very happy that I was visiting which place? Kanha National Park. Okay, so I was very excited. I was very happy that I am going to visit Kanha National Park. Now, Kanha National Park provides setting for Rudyard Kipling's classic novel, The Jungle Book. Means Kanha National Park was the source through which the Jungle Book novel was made. Okay, through the help of Kanha National Park. We slept early that night so that we could get up early the next morning. So they all slept at early, okay, before their time. They all slept early so that we could get up early the next morning. So whenever we have to go somewhere, excitement is there and we have to travel the another day. So what do? We sleep at night before and we get up early for because of the excitement, okay. As the alarm rang, my sister and I jumped out of our beds and quickly started to get ready for one of our thrilling journey ever. So, as soon as the alarm rang, the bell rang, what happened? His sister and he, both of them quickly got up from their beds and started getting ready up, okay, for their thrilling journey, okay, for their exciting journey. They were very happy to visit Kanha National Park. A visit to Kanha National Park on a boat. This was the first time we were going to experience it and very thought-infused zeal in me. So, they were going to visit Kanha National Park through a boat, okay. They were doing boat traveling for visiting Kanha National Park. So, it was the first time experience of theirs. So, they were very excited, okay. So, we have completed page number 32. Now, let's come to the second. Page number 33, let's start. As we approached the lake, the foggy weather did not deter our spirits. So, as soon as they went to the lake, what did they see? Foggy weather. Now, you must have experienced this in winters. Why? Because when we get up, all there outside, what is there? Fog is there. Okay, we can't see anything. White fog is there. So, we are unable to see anything. So, they also saw their fog there. Okay, so they said that they did not detour our spirits. So, they were not discouraged by that. Okay, they were excited. They saw the foggy weather, but they were not discouraged. Okay, and there was an exclusive boat waiting for our family. So, one nice boat was standing and it was waiting for whom? For their family to come. So, we quickly hopped into the boat while the mist unfolded over the waters of the vast artificial lake. I was mesmerized by the beauty of the nature around me. So, as soon as they saw the boat, they quickly jumped into that. They sat into it. And then what happened? The mist unfolded over the waters. Now the fog has gone. So they can see the artificial lake. They can see the waters, and the beauty was so much that they all were surprised. They were mesmerized. Okay. So soon the mist started clearing. Now the fog was starting to clear up. Okay. I saw the colors of the lake waters turn from silver to golden. So now when the fog went out, what did they see? They saw that the colors of the lake the water colors were changing from silver to golden. The rays of sun kissed the waters, which dazzled my eyes. Suddenly, I spotted a herd of sambar deer close to the lake waters. So, the sun rays were coming on the water. Now, you must have also seen this. When sun rays come to any object, that object shines like golden. Yes, so water was blue. But when the sun rays fall on that water, what happened? The water started shining up as golden. Okay, so from silver to golden, they saw that water and it was very nice experience for them. Then they saw what? A herd of sambar deer. So a herd means many deers were there, a group of deers were there close to the lake water. So lake was there and close to that they saw a group of deers, sambar deers, okay. Their agility and swiftness left me impressed as they disappeared into the forest hastily. So their agility and swiftness means they were very fast. Swiftness means fast, okay, and agility also fast. So they were very fast, that impressed the writer, okay, because as soon as they saw them, what happened? They quickly ran and disappeared into the forest, okay. That means they were so quick that 1 second only they saw them, and then they all went off, okay. With a determined resolve and calm mind, we started the trek. Now they are starting their trek, their trip. We pretended that the knowledge of bears, pythons and cobras being present in the forest did not matter to us at all, but we were not fooling ourselves. Yes, we were scared, but at the same time, we were excited and keen to go ahead. Now they were pretending, okay? Pretending means dikhawa. So now they were pretending that that the knowledge of bears, pythons and cobras did not matter, that they are not afraid of all these animals, okay. They know that in this jungle, in this Kanha National Park, what is there? Bears, pythons and cobras are there, but they started to pretending that they are not at all matters, okay. This not at all matters to them. They are not scared, okay. So on the way we saw the footprints of elephants, but they were pretending. But what happened? In their minds, they all of them knows that we are scared of these animals, okay. They started to pretending outside that we are not scared, but in their mind they all knows that we are scared, okay. On the way we saw the footprints of elephants, bears and tigers. Now when they were traveling, they saw what? Footprints of elephants, bears and tigers. We saw a watchtower in the forest and had a beautiful view of the forest from atop the tower. Now they saw a watchtower and it was a very beautiful sight from that watchtower, okay. Tired but enthusiastic, we came to the end of the trek. Now they were very tired because they had their full journey, their full trip, but they were enthusiastic also, okay. Means they were keen to go. It was now time for our journey back. So now it was their time to end their journey, but not before we had decided to immerse our legs in the cool waters of the lake. So they thought that before ending the trip, what we'll do, we'll put our legs into that cold water of the lake. We'll experience that also. It was so beautiful to see swarms of small little fish in the waters under our feet. So when they put their legs into the cold lake waters, what did they saw? They saw little small fish into that water under their feet. It was coming, okay. So we have completed with page number 20. Now coming to page number 34, the sight of a family of tiger which we spotted just before the end of our journey left us amazed. So before their ending of the journey, they saw what? A family of tigers, okay. Mother tiger, father tiger and baby tigers. So they spotted what? A family of tiger before their ending, okay. Left us amazed. So they were very happy. They spotted a tiger's family, the father, the mother and 2 baby tigers all together. So they saw that father was there, mother was there and two baby tigers were also there, okay. It appeared as if they had just come out to meet us, all of us who had come looking for them all the way from Delhi. So they thought that these tigers had just come up from the jungle so that we all can see these tigers, because we have traveled so long. We came from Delhi to visit Kanha National Park, and for ourselves, these tigers, these family tigers came from the jungle so that we can see them, okay. So with this beautiful sight, my boat journey of the Kanha National Park came to an end. So this beautiful sight they saw, this beautiful scene they saw, and with this the end of the journey came, okay. It was and will remain an unforgettable experience of my life. So this will be an unforgettable experience. That means that they will never forget this incident, this experience in their life. So we have completed the chapter of Jungle Safari, the chapter's name. So I hope you understood the video very nicely. This explanation was, you liked it, you were able to understand. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do encourage me with your lovely comments, and bye to all.